I'm gonna tell you the 3D softwares to use, and this is why. Welcome back to my channel. Big thanks to everyone who commented on my previous videos. It means a lot to me. And right now we are going to talk about the different softwares we can use for 3D animation. As you know, we have very many options that we can use for 3D animation, but this time I'm going to talk about my favorite 3D softwares that I use whenever I think of doing 3D. And of course, my favorites are Cinema 4D and Maya. They can both do 3D modeling, animation, motion graphics, and they can render very good high quality images. So the difference I saw between those two is that Maya is really good when it comes to animation, like rigging characters. Man, you can do crazy poses for your characters, which you can also do in Cinema 4D, but for rigging characters, Maya, I give it a 10. Cinema 4D also beats Maya when it comes to motion graphics, you know, like making commercial ads and, you know, abstract. You've seen like intro for TV shows and you know, ads like, you know, like seeing those fruits turning into juice. When it comes to motion graphics, Cinema 4D, I give it a 10 plus. Which you can also do in Maya, but then it's kind of complicated compared to Cinema 4D. Then the second thing with Cinema 4D, it's easy. I think it's easy to learn compared to the Maya. Again, with Maya, you get a plus when you learn Maya compared to Cinema 4D. Like if you want to become a professional, it's mostly used in industries that produce animated movies. And when it comes to 3D animated movies, Maya has been used for very many, and the list goes on, which is a different case in Cinema 4D. I'm not so sure about the movies produced by the 3D movies that are produced by Cinema 4D. Like, I haven't done much research about it, but I'm pretty sure that Maya beats it when it comes to have produced very many movies when it comes to that. So another thing, they can both do visual effects, like, you know, simulations like water, fire, smoke. But then I think Maya has the best when it comes to that. So those are some of the difference and similarities I saw during my journey of 3D animation. So hope this will help you choose the right 3D softwares to use during your journey. Next, I'm going to talk about the two types of animation.